Gemini Crypto Staking Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to Gemini are in the description. Gemini offers a secure and straightforward staking service, allowing users to earn passive income on their crypto holdings without the hassle of managing validators or meeting technical requirements. The platform supports Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, Polkadot, DOT, and other major proof-of-stake assets, with rewards varying based on network conditions. How does Gemini staking work? Users can stake their eligible assets directly through the exchange, and rewards are automatically distributed. Unlike some platforms that require fixed lockup periods, Gemini provides flexibility, allowing users to unstake and withdraw their funds anytime. Staking yields typically range between 3% to 8% APY, depending on the asset. Who is Gemini staking for? This service is ideal for those who prioritize security, ease of use, and regulatory compliance. As a US-based, highly regulated exchange, Gemini follows strict compliance standards, making it a safer choice for those who want transparent staking services with institutional-grade custody. Users who already trade or hold crypto on Gemini can easily stake their assets without transferring to external wallets. Security and risks. One of Gemini's main selling points is its strong security infrastructure, including insurance coverage on digital assets and robust cold storage solutions. However, since staking is done through a centralized exchange, users must trust Gemini to manage their funds. Additionally, staking rewards depend on network performance and validator uptime, so they are not fixed. Pros and cons. The biggest advantages of Gemini staking are its security, regulatory compliance, and easy-to-use interface. The downsides include lower yields compared to some DeFi platforms, and the fact that users don't have full control over their staked assets, like they would with self-custodial staking. Overall, Gemini staking is a great option for those who want a safe, regulated, and convenient way to earn passive income on their crypto. If you're interested in staking with Gemini, check out the links in the description and start earning today.